So the other product that people are paying attention to out of the Amazon launch event that brought up the that drone camera, the other thing that people are talking about is their cloud gaming service. Now, they're going to go in there. They're going to compete with, all the Stadia and, Facebook wants to do some cloud gaming. Amazon's like, hey, everybody doing this cloud gaming over here.
And they run servers, AWS.
We got Bezos.
Mine as well.
We got Bezos right down the hall.
Yeah.
Where's our cloud gaming?
Yeah.
So anyway, it became a bit of a meme because they talked about their cloud gaming and then they showed their controller and it became a bit of a meme, because the controller, it looks exactly like the Nintendo Switch controller.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, it's a little different. But it became a meme. It doesn't take much to become a meme in 2020. Everybody's got meme time. Everybody's got a lot of meme time on their hands. But if you've seen the Nintendo controller, it's almost identical. So I don't know if they rebadged, rebranded, went to the same company responsible for manufacturing the Nintendo controller. But anyway, theirs looks a lot like it. And so some people memed it up. But that's not really the important part. I mean, it's a part of it. But the important part here is that Amazon, they're a big company. They have reach. Sure, they could fail, but they could also succeed. Look what they did with Prime. Look at the piece they have with Twitch. Imagine the integration with Twitch. All the game streamers and the game streaming. On demand. You watch the streamer play the game, you boot it up on your game streaming service. I don't know. I'm just
talking.
Yeah, I'm just talking. I'm just making noises. I'm just making some suggestions. Apparently, they're going to do it a bit differently.
Yeah, their structure is a bit weird from what I read.
Channels. Something called channels.
So there's like there's going to be a regular channel, but then they have like channels for Ubisoft. I'm guessing for Ubisoft games. Other channels for different companies.
I presume this would give some extra incentive to the software companies, to the game developers. If you are a Ubisoft, you can kind of have more control over the person's experience with your game library. I don't know. Could be a headache. But it may be a better move because maybe giving that control back to each developer means that more will get on board because they would say, I can set my price, I can do my thing.
Yeah. But are we like buying bundles now?
I don't know.
Like a TV service?
I don't know.
Is that how it's going to work?
It might very well be.
Yeah.
But you're Amazon. They're here to compete. They could likely make adjustments depending.
Yeah.
It's all about gaming in 2020.
It is, yeah.
If we're not talking about what's going on with Sony and Microsoft with the consoles that are coming out, then we're talking about the game streaming with Microsoft's new service coming out, or we're talking about mobile gaming. We've got how many different gaming phones have come across here. Apple is still having the heated. Oh, that's another piece I should talk about. So Apple has been pushing back against what Microsoft wants to do with their xCloud gaming thing on iOS. And so it's just basically it's not on iOS because Apple doesn't want you to be able to be inside of a service where you can launch a game instantaneously. They want you to have to go and download each one individually. And they have their own competing product, Arcade.
Yep.
So Microsoft has said, look, we can't make it work. We've tried. Facebook said we can't make it work. We're going to try. Amazon says we're going to do it, but you're going to have to use our web app, which is less than ideal, but is better than nothing. So if you are on iOS and you've been looking for your game streaming service that will bring you the type of titles you might be looking for, if you were considering the Microsoft product, assuming Amazon compiled together a similar catalog, this may be one of your few ways to do it at the moment. Through a web app.
It was called Luna?
Luna. Did I say that?
I don't
Maybe
remember.
not. Amazon Luna. Why? You don't like the name?
I mean, I figured people want to know more about it.
Oh, that's all. Okay. Oh, okay. You sounded a bit upset with the name there for a minute.
No.
Luna. I don't know. Luna, Stadia. Microsoft is in a worse case with this because originally it was called xCloud and then it became part of Game Pass.
Yeah. Now it's just game streaming.
Game streaming on Game Pass.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's tough with the names. Will Luna succeed? I don't know. Remains to be seen. I think Amazon's got a war chest when it comes to smart people working there and cash and everything else. And so I would assume they can do something. We'll wait and see what happens, but they are officially moving into the game streaming business to go with their Prime business and all the rest of it.